Good day, everyone. Mr. Joe here, and this is Mr. Joe TV. Today, we'll be talking about how you can get your own share of the $100,000 giveaway that Bybit is currently giving for you to participate in their P2P platform. You could recall that in the last two videos I did, the first one was about how to create a Bybit account. So if you've not created an account, you could just check out that video and create an account using our link. And the second one was about the general P2P platform, how you can make money using the P2P platform. And you could also check out that video if you don't know how the P2P platform on Bybit works. So today I'm going to be exposing you to how you can benefit from the giveaway that they currently have running. It is time sensitive, so you need to do it as fast as you see this video. Okay, so the first thing you would want to do is to log in. Okay, so this is my details there, and I clicked on login, and then it brought the Google authenticator page for me to put my code. So I'm going to put the code that came up. This didn't work because I was not fast enough. So let's do it again. Okay, we are in. So once you're in, the next thing you need to do is to let's go to home page. This is home page. Still loading. Okay, the next thing you need to do is to click on buy crypto. Then go to the third one here, okay, which is 100,000 USDT up for grab. You click on it. Here are the terms. It says February, the period is from February 17th to March 17th. It's actually ending tomorrow. So you'll be rewarded as a buyer with 100,000 USDT. Like it's actually divided among different tasks. So here are 5 ways for you to grab your share of the 100K prize pool when you buy USDT on Bybit P2P platform. So the first one is for you to sign up. Okay, sign up and do your KYC. So the first people who do this would share $10,000. So if you've not signed up, the video for sign up will be below this video, so you could just watch that and use the link to sign up. So we said new to Bybit, simply sign up for a new account and verify your identity within 7 days. We are entitled to grab a share of 10K prize pool, split equally among all participants who complete this task. You must complete at least the KYC level 1 and complete at least one other task listed below to be eligible for this task. So for you to win this, you will need to do your KYC, know your customer, your KYC. And the KYC is basically asking you for your means of identification. Just submit either your international passport or your driver's license, okay, and it will be verified. It's actually it's in the last video, so you just need to watch that video, okay. Then the second criteria for you to win this is that you must perform at least one other task. It's actually 5 tasks. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 in number. So if you do this and you do any other task, you are qualified to share this money with those who were able to sign up within this period. Now the next thing you need to do is to buy exactly 88 USDT, $88 USDT. Okay, USDT means US dollar theta. So if you've not made your first crypto purchase on Bybit P2P yet, this one's for you. Buy 88 USDT exactly on Bybit P2P. I'll give you an extra $8 as reward, only limited to the first 5,000 users. So act fast. I'm sure that they've not gotten this total amount of users. I'm very sure they've not gotten that, maybe because this P2P platform, it's not been long, so you might still have a chance to win this. So you just go to the platform and buy exactly $88 from any $88 from any merchant there, and you qualify to get this $8. So to do that, you just click on trade now. When you click on trade now, I'm opening it another page so it will be easy. So trade now, I've done a video on how to buy and sell on P2P platform. So you choose your currency. For me, it is Naira, and you could just choose any of these guys here. The one that can fulfill $88. For me, in Naira, $88 is around, let's say 583. Calculate. So 5, let's say 583 times 88 will give you 51k plus, or approximately 52k. Okay, so I need someone who has that amount to be able to trade that, who can sell up to 52k. So this guy can only sell 20k, 30k, 15k, 10k, 5k, 15k, 10 million. So this is the guy I'm buying from, 582.9 now. You just click on buy now, and you put the total you want to buy, which is 88, and then you pay this person. Once you pay, you click that you've paid, and the person will release the USDT to you. Okay, that's it about that. Go over to the next one, which is you should buy $100 and share 20k. Details: whether you're a new or existing P2P trader, as long as you buy at least 100 USD in one buy order on the platform during the event period, you're entitled to grab an equal share of a 20k prize pool. So to do this, you just need to buy the same thing you did in the second one, but this time around exactly 100. Okay, we said at least, which means you can buy 100 and above. Okay, and you qualify to be among those who share this prize pool. Then the next one is frequent P2P buyer, and here you're going to join in sharing 15k USDT price pool, and this is the details. Simply buy cryptocurrency for 5 cumulative days during the event period of P2P. I'll give you $15 as a reward, only limited to the first 1,000 users. This event is open to all users regardless of whether you've bought coins on P2P trading before. So this one you might miss it because you can't meet up again for 5 cumulative days. Okay. Now the next one is the last one, is to be a P2P merchant. Click on post ad after 24 hours. Details: experience what it's like to be a merchant of P2P trading. Advertise and fulfill your first sell order of any amount with users who have verified their identity on Bybit, and we will give you $10 as a reward. Only limited to the first 1,500 users who have never been a P2P trading merchant before. We'll add you to the P2P merchants within 24 hours of registration. So when you click on post ad, because you're new, it's going to like tell you a lot of things, like maybe do your verification, put your Google Authenticator and so on, but it's not telling me that because I've done all those stuff. Okay, so what this particular one is saying is that you need to place a buy or sell ad on Bybit to be able to claim this particular reward, this particular giveaway. So you just click on post ad and you follow the details. The video for how to place and how to buy and sell on P2P, on Bybit P2P, will be below this video. So you might want to watch that to see how to do that. So that is it. I don't want this video to be long. It is just like trying to explain this giveaway, and if you're fast enough, you could be able to like tap into it. And don't forget, if you've not registered at all, please try and use a referral link. It's not going to take anything from you, but rather it's going to give you an extra $20 for signing up with a referral link. Okay, and that is it for now. If you've not subscribed to our channel, please do so. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you and have fun.